Let us solve the next MCQ question of matrices chapter. The given question is, if A is equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, this is the given matrix, and A plus A dash equal to I. I is what? Identity matrix, then the value of alpha. Then the value of alpha is what they are asking. So your options are pi by 6, pi by 3, pi 3, pi by 2. So these are the given options for this MCQ question. So let us solve this question. So given solution, write the matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So now what condition they gave? A plus A dash is equal to I. What is A dash? This is nothing but transpose, no? Transpose of A. It is A dash. So now write A dash transpose of this will become cos alpha. Okay, row will become column. So cos alpha minus sin alpha, second row will become second column. So sin alpha, cos alpha. So now according to that, A plus A dash. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to identity matrix. Since here A is in what? 2 by 2 matrix. So your identity matrix will be also in 2 by 2 form. Okay. So write the A matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Next plus A dash is what? It is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. And this is sum of these two is equal to us identity matrix. Now add these two. Between these two matrices the symbol is plus, add. So corresponding elements are added. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha minus sin alpha plus sin alpha. Minus plus will get cancelled, 0 here. Sin alpha minus sin alpha, plus minus will get cancelled here. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, it is 2 cos alpha. This is equal to 1001. By the equality of matrices, we can equate the corresponding elements. So from this, we can equate 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So now we get this. And again in cos, here left side is what it is, cosine, no? So we the right side will also be in the cosine. So we know the value for cos pi by 3 is what? Pi by 3 it is 1 by 2. Pi by 3 is what? 3 1 ja 360. So cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. Okay, so now we can write here cos pi by 3 since options are given in the pi form, no? Here cos alpha. So here therefore we can write this alpha is equal to pi by 3. Okay, so which option is correct here? B option is correct. So like this we can solve, okay, different MCQ questions, okay, now by this method.